then the vas deferens, and eventually the urethra. On the way towards the accessory glands, the seminal vesicle, the prostate and the bulbourethral glands contribute secretions. Together with the sperm, these secretions form semen. Thus, semen is a thick, whitish fluid and that contains fluid from accessory glands. So, this is about the formation of semen. Let's see what's happening now. In each testis, the epididymis is a long coiled tube where the sperm can be stored while they mature. The wall of the epididymis contains a smooth muscle which can contract rhythmic in fashion to propel the sperm into the vas deferens during ejaculation. Everything I have just described you in the formation of the structure, everything we have done in our structure. Now, the development of male gamete by spermatogenesis. Developmental stage, first it is spermatogonium. What is it lying for? A diploid cell which divides by mitosis to produce primary spermatocytes. Second is primary spermatocytes. A diploid cells, the description for that is a diploid cell which undergoes meiosis 1 to produce secondary spermatocytes. Third is secondary spermatocyte. This is a haploid cell which undergoes meiosis 2 to produce spermatids. Fourth is spermatid, a haploid cell which develops into a sperm without further cell division. Fifth, it is the sperm, the mature male gamete released at ejaculation. Okay, children? This was the formation and its structures, its features. Now, hormone regulation in males. The hypothalamus has mostly total control of the testis sexual function because it secretes GnRH. The hormone is known as gonadotropic releasing hormone that stimulates the anterior pituitary. All we are aware of from our hypothalamus part, it is having anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, produced the gonadotropic hormones. These gonadotropic hormones are two of types. One is FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, and the second is LH, that is luteinizing hormone. In males, FSH promotes spermatogenesis known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone, that is ICSH. When you have read about the gland, you have done everything in the endocrine glands. Because it controls the production of testosterone by the interstitial cells scattered in the spaces between the seminiferous tubules. All these hormones are involved in a negative feedback relationships that maintains the constant production of sperm and testosterone. Testosterone is the main sexual hormone in males. It is essential for the normal development and functioning of the male reproductive organs. It is also necessary for the maturation of sperms. Testosterone also helps in the promotion of secondary sexual characters at the time of puberty. So today we all did with the male hormones. Next class we will go with the female hormones, its structure and mostly the ovaries, the structure of the ovaries and the function of the ovaries. We have to go again. Back again, I am repeating the formation of the male gamete by spermatogenesis. The developmental stage, first is the spermatogonium, a diploid cell which divides by mitosis to produce primary spermatocytes. Second is primary spermatocyte. A diploid cell undergoes meiosis 1 to produce secondary spermatocytes. Third is secondary spermatocyte, a haploid cell which undergoes meiosis 2 to produce spermatids. Fourth is spermatid, a haploid cell which develop into a sperm without further cell division. And the fifth is the sperm, the mature male gamete released at ejaculation. So this we have to make in the chart format. Okay. Male reproductive, back again I am briefing. Male reproductive parts divided into two human reproductive parts, two parts. Male which secretes a sperm, female which carries egg. Now reproductive system when together it gets fertilized, it is giving the new upcoming of the gametes or the zygote. After fertilization, Male are releasing testes which are helpful in both the parts, that is in the secondary sexual characters as well as for the formation, carrions and ejaculation of sperms. The body part penis and scrotum together forms the male reproductive system. Seminiferous tubules, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, epididymis and many of the subdivided parts are lying in these testes and they all are participating for the formation of sperm. Sperm when mixed with the accessory gland fluids together forms the semen. Near about 300 million semen are ejaculated or sperm is sperm is ejaculated in one execution. एक बार में more than 300. If the number of sperm secretion is less than 60 million, it is called as the infertile or it is the impotency in the man. Next class, we have to go for the female secretion. Hormones which are participating here is FSH, LSH. All we have done with the help of GnRS and ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Which one is participating? Anterior pituitary is participating. So everything we have to deal with that only. Tomorrow, be present in the next class, that is our female reproductive system and the ovary. Thank you.